Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce our completely free extension that includes thousands of ready-to-use image prompts. With this tool, you can create professional and stunning visuals in just seconds. To install the extension, simply click the Add to Chrome button and easily add it to your browser. After installing the extension, log into any platform such as Gemini, ChatGPT, or Sora. Then, click on the extension icon in the top right corner and quickly sign into your account. Then, click on the extension icon on the right side to access free prompts. It includes thousands of prompts, and you can easily find what you need by using filters. Everything can be tailored to fit your specific needs. Now let's quickly go through an example. I'll pick a visual for you and show you step by step how it works. As you can see, everything works smoothly without any issues.